Mama, and this is Iona, and we're making our favourite banana chocolate chip loaf. And Iona's just doing the bananas.
Bye bye.
So what are you doing with the bananas?
Mashing them up.
Mashing them up. Can you do it?
There we go.
Break the bananas in half a bit.
Okay.
Then that might work a bit better.
Maybe.
Maybe? Oops! Oh. This is fun cooking with Iona. You just don't wash your hands, and you're right. Then you're heat spoon up.
No, 175.
How are you enjoying the scone?
Right.
100 grams of butter.
Let's chuck it. Right, you're going to first put the flour in, because this is one of the recipes that you can put everything in at once. Now, are we using the big mixer? What sort of blade has it got on?
The one that I can lick.
Do you like licking?
Yes.
Okay, good. What's the last ingredient we put in after it's mixed?
Chocolate chips. I have to make sure they're not poisonous.
Come on then, try it. If you think they're the right ones, have a taste. You ready for the chocolate chips?
Yeah, but we have to have them in.
Put the little lids. Gently put them in.
Dad's on the prowl. Iona, watch out for him.
I can lick the spoon too.
That, do you want to just put another one in that way? Yeah. That's clean. It's only got melted chocolate on. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I need to check somewhere else.
Okay.
Check here. To see if it's ready on this side. Ready, Mama?
Go on then.
Here. Yeah.
That's done.
It's just at the bottom. I think that's melted chocolate.
Shall I trust you? Want to take it out? Now you be careful. Okay. And you can put it on there.